Daddy, this shovel's hard. See, every time I fix one problem, another one comes.
Come with me, Nila. I have a little lesson to share.
What are you doing, Daddy?
What do you see, my dear?
Boiled potatoes, eggs, and coffee, Daddy.
Look closer. Touch, feel, and taste.
It's soft. It was hard before, but now it squishes in my fingers.
Yes, the boiling water made it weak.
It's hard. It was breakable before, but now it became hard.
Yes, the boiling water made it hard.
Wow, it's warm and yummy now.
That's right. The coffee beans changed the water. The potatoes got soft. The egg got hard. But the coffee beans made something new. So I ask you, Nila, when life gets hot and hard, are you a potato, an egg, or a coffee bean?
I want to be like the coffee bean, Daddy.
That's my brave little bean.